because if this does not work for you, I don't know what will work for you. Hello beautiful people, welcome to my YouTube channel. How are you doing? I hope you're doing good. What's up people? What's poppin'? If you're new here, hello. I am Ssedyss and you're most welcome to my YouTube channel. If you're an old subscriber coming in for a new video, thank you for supporting this baby girl right here, and thank you for always coming through for me. So basically this video is for my Ssedyss women. So today I'm going to be giving you just this natural method. It's easy, very easy to take out your cramps, your vaginal infections, your yeast infections, you know, those unwanted discharge and all of that, you know, bad smell. You know, there's sometimes a woman, you don't feel comfortable because you lost your confidence, because you know you cannot just stay for like 7 hours or 12 hours or 24 hours and you just want to meet your man. You don't need to go to the bathroom first to go and clean up. You just have this confidence that you're clean enough. Anytime he wants to eat his food, you are very clean. If you don't have that confidence, then this is what you need, because if this does not work for you, I don't know what will work for you. This actually works in different ways. This work is just one thing, but it works for a lot of things. You're gonna get your elasticity back as a woman. You're gonna get your grip back. You're gonna smell fresh and nice. And all you need here is just gloves. So guys, if you can see, this is what gloves actually looks like. You can get this in your African shop or your Asian shop or any of your local shop near you. So this has a lot of benefit, guys, and one of the amazing benefits is that it helps cure vaginal problems, your yeast infection, your wanted discharge, you know, offensive smell, vagin itching, you have cramps when you're menstruating, you know, vagin pain and all of that. This actually help for a lot of purpose, multiple vaginal purpose. So this is very good, guys. This can actually increase moisture. You know, if you're finding it difficult to get wet, when you do this regularly, you just see that you find yourself juicy all the time. So this is good, guys, and please note, stuff like this are not good for pregnant women. Please don't use it when you're pregnant. You can use it after childbirth. That is very good, and you can actually get your elasticity back as a woman. You know, you get your grip back. So I'm actually going to be showing you how to use it. First, you need to boil your hot water. So while the hot water is boiling, I'm just going to measure it with this spoon. You see what I did? Just 1 spoonful. This is okay. Just 1 spoon of cloves. So I'm going to put it inside here. And please, when using any of these, make sure you use a ceramic or a glass. Don't use anything rubber, it's not advisable. So you can see my water is boiled. Just make sure it's off by itself, because you need it to be very hot. So yes, now I'm sure my water is hot, so I'm going to put it inside the bowl. Enough that you know will be enough for you. This smells really nice, guys. It smells really nice. So I'm just going to leave it here. First, I'll have to cover it. can use a rubber or anything you know it's okay for you at this time. I want to use this. You can use anything, glass or ceramic, to cover it. If you have this one, you can as well use it. So guys, I hope you can see. Now you just have to leave it here for 24 hours, or at least for 15 hours, so it marry each other. So guys, this is our glove. As you can see, I actually left it for 24 hours. So this is the time I'm actually going to make use of it. You can see how brownish it looks. It has the color of honey. Like seriously, it smells nice. So all you're gonna do right now is to separate the water from the gloves. I have to strain it to be able to do that. So guys, like I said, this works for multiple purpose. With this, yep. Oh shite. With this, you're sure of that seed infection to be gone. I lose some water, but never mind. I'm going to manage this one. This always happens. So guys, this is what we have here. It actually looks like urine, but it's not, and it smells very nice. Like, you will love the smell. So this is what you will use to wash your vagina if you have any infection, you have pains, you know, whatever the problem may be, vagina discharge, unwanted discharge, you know, unbearable smell and all of that. You know, like I said, this is this has a lot to do when it comes to the women vagina. You can actually Google it if you're not sure, so you can actually be sure. So I will be using this to wash my vagina, and I can actually do this if for me I have nothing, so I just want to use it because I do it most of the time, especially after my monthly flow. This is what I use, or when I actually know that I've exposed myself to any public toilets. So that's what I just do. I just make sure I clean. And most of the times, this water, sometimes I put it inside my toilet, especially when I have visitors that they use my toilet. I'll just put it inside. So guys, this is the video for today. This is all you need. This is what you need. So I'm just going to use this quickly and take my shower, and that's all. I hope you love this video, guys. Don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to share, don't forget to comment, and let's know what else you want to know. But I definitely am bringing more videos to you. So if you actually try the granite water, this is another method that you will love. This is, in fact, this is very medicinal, guys. I love cloves a lot. So guys, thank you for always coming through for me. I'll see you in my next YouTube video. Bye bye.